Last time we have discussed some textile industries. Today about sugarcane, actually mineral based industry. Before that, some information about sugarcane. 20% sugarcane comes from Uttar Pradesh grows, and industry is also available. For example, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, etc. Okay, come to the topic mineral based industry. Okay, today's topic mineral based industry. For example, mineral based industry is iron and steel industry. Okay, some images you can observe. Some mineral industries are like that, steel and iron products. Okay, available through images you can observe. There are 10 primary in targeted iron and steel plants are there in India. Example, Burnapur in West Bengal, Bhadravati in Karnataka. There are also 200 decentralized units are there. Means mini steel plants are there. And heavy industry which uses heavy and bulky raw material, namely iron ore, coal, limestone and manganese. So iron and steel industries is heavy industries. Okay, what we use? Some bulky materials, heavy materials, weightage, largest also. Where this type of available, what is the location? Suitable location means close proximity to raw materials. Availability, proximity is availability where for raw materials. Finished products, where products are finished, and also heavy and bulky, hence need good transport system for distribution. To carry, to transport, import and export of the products, the location also very important. The Steel Authority of India Limited maintains the public sector plants of India. Means the government also involved, that is called the Steel Authority of India Limited. India produces around 27 million tons of crude steel per year. Okay, it's the largest what producing. Okay, so what type of location? I already said. Where is the availability of raw materials? And also useful for transport of that what products. It may bulky, heavy, and takes largest area. And the government authority also take the in charge. Public sector iron and steel plants in India are managed by Steel Authority of India Limited. Public sector, one more I said, that is iron and steel plants in India are managed by Steel Authority of India Limited. That also a sponsorship of Indian government. For example, in Visakhapatnam in southern India, we can see one of the area is called Visakhapatnam. There is a steel plant available. Next one is aluminium smelting. Smelting in the sense making, creating by through the using of heat. Second important metallurgical industry in India, that is called aluminium industries. Aluminium is a universally accepted mineral for a large number of industries due to its flexibility and good conductivity of heat and electricity. So aluminium is accepted by whole world because its flexibility, it's a good conductor, okay, to pass the current, electricity, to supply, okay, to flow the power. What this aluminium is very useful, and it a good conductor of heat and as well as electricity. So every wire, electrical wires you can observe, cable wires you can observe, what are the products comes, that is aluminium. Okay, it's very useful. That's why it's world famous. That's why it is called universally accepted mineral based industry. What is that? Aluminium. Popular substitutes to steel, copper, zinc and lead in a number of industries. So instead of steel, copper, zinc and lead, we can utilize aluminium only. And if you use aluminium, these all things you don't need to. And for production of ton of aluminium, approximately 6 tons of bauxite is required and 18,600 kilowatts of electricity is required. For what? Production of 1 ton of aluminium, you need 6 tons of bauxite. Okay, raw material. Bauxite is a raw material which is available inside the earth. And where is the location of this type of industry? Availability of bauxite. Where is bauxite available? And where is inexpensive electricity? Power is available. Okay, there are 8 aluminum plants are there in India. How much? 8 aluminum plants, means aluminum industries bigger. Orissa, West Bengal, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. There are total production of aluminum is 620,000 tons per annum. How much? 620,000 tons per year the aluminum production is there. Okay, next time we discuss about fertilizer industries. Thank you so much.